Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to disable or turn off screen drops on iPhone. Sometimes when I am filming, when I just accidentally tap the home button, the screen will be slides down like that. So the screen slides down, we need to turn it off. So we go to settings. From settings we go to scroll down to accessibility here, accessibility, and then we go to touch, tap on touch, and then here you find the reachability is turned off on. You need to, by default, so you need to turn it off. That's it, like that, and it will be fine. When you tap, it will be the screen will not drops down. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.